Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. We're gonna jump right into this video because you guys can see I'm in the backyard. I hope you're picking the sound because there's a lot of background noise, but we're gonna be doing some little, I'll show you guys how I decorated my backyard, and I'll show you guys the messy mess of the backyard, and then show you guys a little teeny sneak peeks of how I cleaned and then how we got here to the decorating part. So if you like videos like this, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
I try to figure out who I am, not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't.
So this is what my backyard or patio looks like. I know it's sad, it's a pain. It has been abandoned all of the winter. Part of the spring, I feel like I deserted this space, or we deserted this space. Every now and then I come back here to do DIYs in this dirty space, and the kids come out to play, and even our for some reason we did not cover anything up, so everything is just rusted, dirty, messy. I don't know. I got this new pressure washer. I didn't want to get anything complex, so I was testing it out here to see if that was gonna work, and it looked like it was doing the job, so I was excited to try it out. Guys, this backyard is a complete mess. Please don't come for me, or don't feel, you know, the kids are always having a blast in the backyard. They're always playing. They don't even care about this patio, but I do care. So we're gonna start cleaning it. I don't know. I'll just do what I can do and leave the rest for God. Okay. I started with the pillows on the chairs. I'm just going to take those out so that I can wash them. And I'm just going to take out every dirty thing you see here and wash and pressure wash and do something about it. So you tell me, have you started preparing? Do you have a patio? Are you trying to do anything to your patio? Are you cleaning it up? Have you already cleaned up? What is the plan for this summer? Because we're going to be using this place or this space pretty much. So yeah, I was just trying to make it look like, you know, more comfortable for us to be able to use and have fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tell me your favorite moment as you're watching. I would love to know. All right, let's keep watching to see what I did to this space to transform it, okay?
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last.
So this is what it looks like after taking everything out. You can see the dirt accumulated. Everything just looks really messy. It's already almost nighttime. I started cleaning like in the evening, so yeah, it's nightfall, and I just wanted to finish this part of the cleaning until I got to a point where I actually got frustrated. Anyway, let's keep watching to see what happened.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Right now, I'm just wetting the space that I would like to clean, just so that it's wet enough for the pressure washer to do its job, just to soften all the hard and messy things we have on the concrete. So yeah, this is where I got frustrated, because you can see the pressure washer, I think the battery was almost dead, so it would not pressure wash for long. I would press on it and it would just go off, and I have to press again a couple of times. So I could barely do what I really wanted to do. I got so frustrated. Like, you would see how frustrated I got that I just had to drop it off to wait for the next day to like let it charge overnight and do what I had to do the next day. So I was so frustrated at this point. Like, what is going on? I really wanted to finish the cleaning today so I can do every other thing the next day. So I was so mad, you don't want to know.
To be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, 'cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No.
So as you guys can see, this is obviously the next day, and you can tell that the pressure washer is charged. And I would say this is not the best pressure washer, but it did an amazing job. A lot better than what I even expected, and for the price, I was impressed. I try to pressure wash everything, from the rugs to the grill to the table to everything that was in this backyard.
This is where my heart is. Oh.
So after pressure washing everything, I lost footage of when I was replacing the rugs. So on this side, I replaced the rug with a new rug, and by the side of the grill, I replaced the rug with the other rug that was here, and I took it over to the side of the grill. You'll see it at the end of the video or towards the end of the video. But yeah, right now, everything that I washed, I'm bringing them back, putting them. This is like a week or two later because I did everything and I got busy. I went on trips. I came back before I was able to do this part. So yeah.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar.
I want to use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. If you are an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you right. I love you. I really appreciate you. I would not be here without you. But if you are new to this channel, hello and welcome. I appreciate you stopping by to watch this video. I hope you're here to stay. I hope you enjoy yourself. On this channel, we have so much fun. We do a lot of home decor, interior decor, design, whatever, anything decor is what we do here. And if you've watched up to this point, I just want to say thank you again and again. And I would like for you to comment patio down in the comment section. I would love to see it. Tell me your favorite part of this decor, or tell me your favorite part of this makeover. I would love to know. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends to inspire them to decorate their outdoor space today. And if you're a lover of yellow, let me know because we did a lot of yellow. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Keep on watching to see what goodies I have for you.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his
Some of these flowers were gotten from Amazon. I think the white were gotten from Amazon and the yellow were gotten from Marshalls.
Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes.
The white vase was gotten from Home Goods.
With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long
And of course, you know my candle holders, but if you're new, my candle holders are from Hobby Lobby.
Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes.
And if you watched my last video, you would have seen these candles. They were gotten from Hobby Lobby as well.
Here it goes, with his humble lack and everlasting ego.
My placemats were gotten from Hobby Lobby too. My plates were gotten from Home Goods. If it's not Home Goods, it should be Ross, one of them. And these little beautiful shell salad plates or bowls were gotten from, I think, Home Goods. Yeah. My napkin rings, which I didn't really use as napkin rings, but for decor, were gotten from Amazon.
Once left behind, the stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight.
My wine and water glassware were gotten from Home Goods, and my silverware was gotten from Home Goods as well.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more.
So we've come to the end of the decor. I'll just take time to remind you of what the space looked like before. This was the mess we were in, and right now this is what it looks like after being cleaned and decorated. What do you guys think? How do you guys like it? Because I feel like I'm in love. I love every bit of it. You guys tell me how you feel about it. Tell me if you would like to, you know, just sit and relax in this space. I was looking to put curtains, but that is gonna come later. But for now, I think this is nice. Towards the evenings, the sun comes closer or comes towards the house, which is not very good. Reason why I'm thinking about the curtain option. What do you guys think? Tell me if curtains is gonna be amazing or not. We don't want to extend our patio. We just want to use the patio just the way it is. And because we have a grill right there, we thought it wise to just have like an eating or sitting area like this. But again, sometimes I want to have like just that regular sitting area than a dining area. So you guys tell me how you like it. Please enjoy the tour. Ask me all your questions down in the comment section. Tell me something nice. I would love to see it. Enjoy.
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.